If you are driving a modern V8 engine that uses cylinder deactivation to save gas and suddenly it feels rough or the check engine light pops on, you need to know about code P3463. This code is specific to the cylinder 8 exhaust valve control circuit, and it means the voltage or resistance the computer sees is too low. Essentially, your engine is trying to switch from V8 mode to V4 mode to save you fuel during highway cruising, but cylinder number 8 is not cooperating. The engine control module, or ECM, uses solenoids to turn the exhaust valves on and off, usually cycling about 10 minutes in 4-cylinder mode and then 1 minute in 8-cylinder mode. When this circuit fails, the computer might disable the fuel injector for that cylinder completely, leaving you with a noticeable shaking misfire. This is not something to sleep on. A misfire can cause permanent internal engine damage if you drive on it too long. The severity here ranges from moderate to severe, depending on how the car is behaving. Before you start tearing the engine apart, check the basics first. Believe it or not, low engine oil level or pressure is a huge cause for this code, because these variable valve timing solenoids often rely on oil pressure to work. Check your dipstick immediately. If the oil is fine, you need to get into the wiring. Look for the solenoid near cylinder 8 on the exhaust manifold. You are hunting for burnt wires, loose connectors, or corrosion. If you have a digital multimeter, you can check for continuity in the circuit. You want to see 0 ohms of resistance on the wires. If you find an open line or a short, that is your problem. A common mistake people make is replacing the expensive solenoid immediately, only to find out the issue was just low oil or a chewed-up wire. Always check the technical service bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific year and model first, as manufacturers often release updates for these exact issues. Save yourself the money and diagnose the oil and wiring before buying parts.